Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to run a custom prompt in Power Automate. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This gives you access to all the automation tools and features that Power Automate offers. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look at the left side of your screen and you'll see a menu with several options. Click on Create to begin building your new automation. This opens up different flow types you can work with, giving you various options for how you want to trigger and run your automation. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect when you want to manually trigger an automation whenever you need it, rather than having it run on a schedule or based on specific events. Next, you'll see a prompt asking how you want to trigger this flow. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow, then click Create to proceed. This sets up the foundation for your automation and prepares it for customization. Once your flow is created, you'll see the trigger block at the top of your canvas. Click on this trigger block to expand its options. Now click on Add an Input. This feature allows you to create a field where you can enter information each time you run the flow, making your automation more flexible and interactive. A menu will appear with different input types to choose from. Click on Text since you'll be entering a text-based prompt. After selecting text, you need to configure this input field. Name it something clear like user input so you know exactly what it's for. Then, in the description field, input please enter your prompt. This guides you on what to type each time you trigger the flow. Now it's time to add the core functionality of your automation. Click the plus icon below your trigger to add a new action. In the search bar that appears, type Run a Prompt and click on it from the results. This action is what allows Power Automate to process your custom prompt using AI capabilities. Within this action, you'll see an option to add your custom prompt. Click the plus icon to add custom prompt, then click New Custom Prompt. This opens up a field where you can get creative and define exactly how you want the AI to respond. In the instructions field, input your custom prompt. Take your time here to craft a prompt that will give you the results you're looking for, whether it's for data analysis, content generation, or any other use case. Once you're satisfied with your custom prompt, click Save at the bottom of the screen. This stores your prompt for use in this automation. Now back in the Run a Prompt action, you'll see a text input field. Click the thunder icon, which represents dynamic content, and select User Input from the list. This connects the text you enter when running the flow directly to your custom prompt. Next, click the plus icon again to add another action. Search for Compose and click on it. The Compose action is useful for capturing and displaying the output from your prompt. In the input field of the Compose action, click the thunder icon once more and select Text under Run a Prompt. This pulls in the response generated by your custom prompt and displays it in an easy-to-read format. And that's it, your automation is now ready to run and save. You've successfully set up a custom prompt automation in Power Automate that takes your input and processes it through AI. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.